Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I'm doing an might as well say an unboxing video. So if you're new here, click the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let's get into this. So I got my first Ipsy bag. So excited. So I've been waiting. This was supposed to come last week, but I just got it today. So I'm just gonna open it real quick, and then I'll come back later and talk more about them because I just want to open it and I have some errands to run. So we're just going to open it real quick so we can see what we got. So it comes with an eyeshadow palette. I'm guessing it says Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette Essentials 2. And this is what the bag looks like this month for April. And let's see what we got in here. So I have, I'm not sure how to say this, Oriza Beauty. And that is eyeshadow. And we have Wake Up Call Overnight Regenerative Facial Treatment. And then we have Nomad Sydney Bathers Balmoral Beach, which is highlighter. And then we have Hydrating Leave-In Conditioner, which detangles, moisturizes, strengthens, and softens hair. And it has biotin in it, which is really good for your hair. And it is cocoa and shea. And it's from Mark Anthony. So then I also got, it says Fab First Aid Beauty. And this is facial radiance pads that helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin. And then I have a card that says April Force of Nature. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. Go into this month's theme at Ipsy.com/Force of Nature. And then it's got a VIP thing with the glam bag from Khloe Kardashian. And it, on the inside it tells you what products was in here and what they do. It says, what your beauty skills and your makeup kit thrive with these 5 new glam bag products valued at $50 plus. So that is it for now. I am going to, because I have to run out and do some errands. So I will come back later on and talk more about these, whether it is me trying them or it's just me talking about them, reading about them, whatnot, and we'll go from there. So I just wanted to do a quick unboxing so I could see it because I've been waiting for this, and we'll dive into this. So if you're new here, please subscribe, watch me grow. I know this channel's with cosmetology and beauty related, so I figured this would tie into that, being it's from Ipsy and it's makeup. So I will be back later to finish this, and I'll see you soon, so stay tuned. So I have just recently signed on for Ipsy, and this was my April bag. I know we're in May, but my May one hasn't been shipped yet, so I just wanted to try one of these products because I haven't tried them. I've tried the eyeshadow, but I'm not that great at makeup, so I'm just plain Jane makeup. So today I'm going to do a review on these facial pads that came in my Ipsy bag last month. But I've only had the bag for like 2 weeks, I think. So it says facial radiance pads help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. They're alcohol-free, safe for sensitive skin. And then it says Fab First Aid Beauty. So then it says it's fragrance-free, hypoallergenic, allergy tested. And the directions say white pad across face, neck, and decollet once or twice daily after cleansing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean my face, which I use the Clinique clarifying lotion because I have oily skin and this works really well for my skin. I used to use the pink, but they got to where my face was still so oily and it's not as bad. So I went to the Step Up, which is the bluish green or whatever color you want to call it. So I'm just going to wash my face. And some days it's worse than others, but not so bad today. Then we're going to let that dry. And I don't know if any of you have used these, how many of you have the Ipsy subscription. I've been wanting that subscription for a long time, probably years. And I just didn't really see the fit, but they had some pretty bags. Which, this bag, I'm not so fond of. My first one could have been prettier, right? But the products were pretty good. I started out the video, which you'll see in the beginning what I was in this. I just haven't tried nothing but the, let me see. It was like the shimmer. I have tried this eyeshadow, which is the Oriza Beauty Golden Hour Shimmer Eyeshadow. I've used that one. That's the only thing I've used out of this kit. My face is dry, so I'm going to rub this on my face. If I can get into it. So it's just like one of those little acne pads that you used to get. So we're just going to rub it on our face. For the supposed to exfoliate. And it has no smell. Pretty clean, right? Okay, so we're going to see how my face feels once this is dry. And I'll come back and let you know how it feels. Because it says you can use these once or twice a day. So I'm probably just going to do it once a day. To see, make sure I don't have no like reactions because I have sensitive skin. And a lot of stuff I cannot use. That's why I buy Clinique stuff. I even have the Clinique makeup remover. This stuff is amazing. I had to watch what I put on my skin because I can't use I used to try to use Neutrogena and I love their makeup line. I've used this a few times like when I was younger. Now I use CoverGirl or Clinique. But my main thing, as long as I can afford it, as you would think, is Clinique. It has great coverage and it just makes your skin look and feel so smooth, and it's not oily, and it just don't make your skin feel like heavy like most stuff does. So I use Clinique, and a little bit goes a long way with Clinique. But I'm going to try these pads once a day for now because I don't want my face to break out because I don't get a lot of breakouts. And we'll see how it does. I will make a recap maybe tonight or tomorrow just so you know like how my skin felt when it's dry, which is pretty well dry. It's still a little wet, a little bit, not much. So I'm just gonna let this dry all the way, and then I will tell you how I felt, and I will use these once a day. I'm not sure how many pads is in here, but with them being that thin, there's probably about 10 pads, maybe. Oh yeah, it says 10 pads. So my fingers are good at measuring, right? Just kidding. So we'll see how this does. It also has, I want to try this. It's shampoo stuff. Well, not shampoo, it's conditioner. It detangles, moisturizes, and strengthens for soft hair. I'm going to be trying that soon. And maybe tonight, I will try this facial treatment. Because it says for dry and aging skin. Which my skin is not aging. And it's really, well, like my nose and stuff gets dry. So we'll talk about it for another video. But for now, this is the review on these the Radiance pads. And I'll be back tonight or tomorrow to let you know what I think about them. Because my face is kind of feeling tingly right now, right here. So we'll see. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay, guys. So I've been using them pads, and I think those pads so far is doing really good. My skin's soft. It's not so oily, and it does kind of seem like it's glowing. So I would say if you want to give these pads a try, they come in my Ipsy bag last month, in my April bag. And I'm excited to see what I get this month. But I'm going to be doing reviews on all the stuff that I do with the stuff that was in my April bag, as well as the upcoming bags. So stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be making videos about cosmetology. I've just been so busy with work and stuff, so it's been kind of hard. So if there's any videos you want to see me do, I'm going to try and figure out how to do the makeup like people do. I'm going to be watching tutorials, because I want to be able to do makeup like a lot of you know how to. So we'll see how it goes. I love how people's makeup looks. And I'm just basic. Eyeshadow, eyeliner, foundation. I'm in the works of trying to figure out liquid eyeliner. I want to do the wing. And if you've seen my attempt to that, it looks horrible. And I was so ashamed of that video, because females should know how to do this stuff, and I do not, because I just use a basic eyeliner pencil. So for today, that's it. If you want to try these pads, I would say that they're really good. So give them a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.